The mining industry faces a paradox. It provides the raw materials for the green revolution, lithium for batteries, copper for cables, cobalt, and rare earth elements for motors and magnets. Yet, it remains one of the most polluting sectors of the economy, accounting for about 7% of global greenhouse gas emissions, largely due to its outdated reliance on diesel fuel. The demand for critical minerals is growing rapidly. In 2024, the need for lithium increased by 30%, and by 2040, it could quintuple. Extracting these materials is becoming increasingly difficult. Ores are becoming less rich, deposits are located deeper underground, and energy costs are rising. Against this backdrop, electrification is becoming an operational necessity. Companies are adopting electric equipment because it reduces costs, improves reliability, and allows them to meet stringent investor ESG requirements. The challenge lies in implementing this effectively, in stages, and considering the specific conditions of each mine. Interestingly, the process of automation is advancing in parallel with electrification. A prime example is the Roy Hill mine in Western Australia. The mine is a fully integrated industrial complex, from deposits with reserves of 2.4 billion tons to its own 344-kilometer railway and a port terminal in Port Hedland. Recently, it became the world's first site where the entire fleet of haul trucks, 78 units, was converted to autonomous operation. To date, 60 trucks are already operating without drivers, and by December 2025, the remaining ones will be integrated into the system. This is part of Hancock Iron, or HIO, a new company created in July 2025 through the merger of Roy Hill and Atlas Iron. The fleet is heterogeneous. 54 Caterpillar 793F and 24 Hitachi H5000 haul trucks are managed by the Link-OA system from Epiroc. This project marks the end of the era of closed autonomous ecosystems where a customer was tied to a single manufacturer. Already, HIO is the fourth largest iron ore producer in Australia, with a capacity of 74 million tons per year, of which 55 to 60 million comes from Roy Hill alone. The autonomous haul trucks at Roy Hill have already moved over 250 million tons of ore and traveled approximately 6 million kilometers, equivalent to 150 trips around the world, without any serious incidents. Management is conducted from a remote center in Perth, 1,100 kilometers away, highlighting the project's high level of digital maturity. Currently, the HIO and Epiroc team is working on the final stage, connecting auxiliary equipment, bulldozers, drill rigs, service vehicles, to the common system. Once completed, Roy Hill will become a fully digital, multi-brand, and energy-efficient industrial hub. The future of the mining industry lies in systemic transformation, where electrification, automation, and digitalization work as a single mechanism. Everything depends on how quickly and competently the industry can implement this transition in practice, given the complex logistics, geology, and economic constraints. Portal for Special Equipment National RU. 550 categories of special equipment for sale, rental, and construction services. We work across all of Russia for you, because of you, and together with you.